Hello friends, welcome back to the newest clip of FR Clips. I'm your host FRKJR and alongside Rakshit. Yeah, let's go for it. So first of all, this is the new app. So maybe some people know about it or some people do not know about it. So this app name is called All Tools. All Tools. Yeah, you can see All Tools. Yeah. So you can see all the tools. It has been given 4.5 stars. Yeah. And it's been rated for 3+ and it's been downloaded for 1 million plus times. So let's find out the app. Okay, we have opened the app. So you can see there are number of applications. It is a useful application for you. There is a torch. Yep. I'm not talking about a torch. See, you can see there is a CCTV. CCTV means so 1K server. It's just like I'll show you how to use it. Server. First of all, one mobile, you should keep it somewhere, and it's like a CCTV. It's a benefit. So you can make a file transfer from this phone. You can send files or receive files in one small application. You can find compass, find takeaway. So you can see I'm in which direction. You can see the map or everything. See, in one application. See, you can see the speedometer. Wow, scribbler, IR remote. You can detect the internet speed also. See, let's test how much internet speed. You can check the speed of the internet in this small application. It's really good application. See, you can see my internet speed is testing because my network is poor right now. See, you can see 2.09 Mbps. So you can see the room temperature also. 32 degrees Celsius right now. So you can scan the QR code, or you can motion cam, night vision. See, you can night vision. Amazing app. See, you can see how many steps have you taken. One tap, how many calories you can burn it out. Oh, it is good application. You can you can use the protractor. See, and it's more length, horizontal, speed trap, humidity. You can paint it, text to speech, everything is there. Wow. So you can also learn Morse code. Like if I type hello, so you can see the dot. Yep, it's a Morse code. You can learn it. It is very good information app. It's very useful app also. Yep, you can see the screen recorder also. You can use it. Very good app. So that's all, guys. So if you like this video, like it, comment it, share it, and if you are a new subscriber, press the subscribe button. Oh yeah, support us, share the video. Bye bye.